a simple trick for easy printing. Welcome to ANTINSKY Lab. Today we share a flexible model making material. TPU, soft and resilient materials. It is widely used in daily life, such as the non-breakable phone cases and the lightweight insoles. With it, your design can be extended from a static rigid structure to a flexible design. Realize more possibilities. Because of his flexibility and easy moisture, it leads to easy stringing and deformation, affecting the printing effect. Today, we will use this TPU product from ANTINSKY to share some printing tips. Let's first take a look at his flexibility. Extremely resilient. Flexible and not prone to breaking. The rebound effect is extremely good. TPU also distinguishes different applicable products based on their hardness. The smaller the value, the softer it is. More importantly, before using it, it must be dried at a temperature of 65 or below for 5 to 8 hours. Remember to seal and store it properly even after use. We conducted the tests using the commonly used 85A and 95A models, using Bambu X to D and H to D for printing. The temperature drops by 10-15 C. Cut the speed to half. In these numerical ranges, the printed TPU finished products have the best results. Different hardnesses. The 85A is soft and feels close to silicone, so it can be used as a soft sheet, anti-collision pad, earplug, etc. 90 a normal soft TPU, moderate soft and hard, suitable for soles, sealing rings, protective equipment, etc. Friendly for beginners. 95A has high hardness, strong support and small deformation, which is closer to the texture of rubber. It is usually used for manufacturing wear-resistant gears, industrial gaskets, and other components. If you also want to use TPU to print your product, I hope this video will be helpful to you. What else would you like to know about consumables? Please contact us.